Rabies is a deadly viral disease that causes progressive and fatal inflammation of the brain and spinal cord. It was historically referred to as hydrophobia, fear of water. Why is rabies fatal? The rabies virus travels from the bite wound to the brain, causing inflammation and ultimately death. Mammals, including humans, can contract rabies. Rabies is most commonly transmitted by infected wild animals like foxes, bats, and skunk, also dogs and cats. How is rabies transmitted? Rabies can't go through unbroken skin. People can get rabies only via a bite from a rabid animal or possibly through scratches, abrasions, open wounds, or mucous membranes like in eyes in contact with saliva. The rabies virus is short-lived when exposed to open air. It can only survive in saliva and dies when the animal's saliva dries up. If you're bitten by an animal, wash the wound immediately with soap and water for 15 minutes. Then, seek medical attention right away. The most important method for preventing the progression of rabies is by administering a dose of rabies vaccine. The vaccine stimulates the bitten animal to develop its own neutralizing antibodies to the rabies virus. Once rabies shows symptoms, it can't be treated. The disease nearly always causes death. The first symptoms of rabies can appear from a few days to more than a year after the bite happens. Symptoms of rabies may include licking or chewing the bite wound, drooling, saliva frothing at the mouth, slight fever, aggression, weakness, dysphagia or difficulty swallowing, withdrawal from people and other animals, restlessness, changes in behavior, hallucination, drooping eyelids, enlargement of the pupils, hypersensitivity to light and sound, and finally, loss of muscle control and paralysis. Prevention is key. Vaccination is the most effective way to prevent rabies in both humans and animals. Keep your pets up to date on their rabies vaccinations and avoid contact with wild animals. Subscribe to our channel for more animal and pet-related content. Feel free to leave any questions or topics related to general or medical pet care you'd like us to cover in the comments below.